That's what it does? Make sure you're muted. And plug in your headphones. You don't have headphones? It is 30, module 1, 37. All right, Travis, I'm gonna work on this while I get everybody started, okay? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Sorry, I had some technical issues with your face-to-face friends. Does everybody have, oh, I see Kylie's got her spooky black on, Jacob too, and Kaden. Oh, yep, perfect. Oh, and Daniel. Awesome. Oh, my ears are uneven. Okay, friends, make sure you have paper and pencil. You guys will just use your white. Oh, you can use paper and pencil. That's fine. Yeah, you guys get your journals. Your journal and pencil. So Travis, go get your. Actually, just unplug your headphones, Travis, and go sit at your seat. I'll bring you the iPad. You guys have a good weekend? No, Jacob, I'm sorry to hear that. I'm glad. Oh, Katie says not so great either. That makes me sad. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started with our word problem. So I'm going to get that going. All righty, so it says, and remember, we'll probably need to draw a picture, a number sentence, statement, number bond, all those good fun math things. So there are 10 beads on the floor. 10 beads on the floor. A student picks up some of the beads. Not sure how many, right? It just says some. So 10 fell on the floor, and then a student comes along and picks up some of them. But they left some on the floor, so they didn't get all of them. They only picked up some of them. Write a number bond and a number sentence that would match the story. So guys, it's up to you. So you have 10, okay? Imagine 10 beads. You can use your fingers in front of you. 10 beads on the floor. And you drop some of them, okay? Then you pick up a few of them. What could your partners of 10 be? There's not just one answer to this. We're just trying to find partners of 10. Remember, two numbers that will give us 10. So you guys might all come up with something different. Oh, Aubrey, I did not even introduce you. Where are you? I can't see you on the screen. Oh, there you are. Awesome, friends. Let me rename her so that you can see what her name says, not that other nonsense. Remember, I told you Friday we were going to have a new classmate, right? Can you see Aubrey up here? Aubrey, wave. Wave in the screen so they see you. There's Aubrey. Can you guys all wave? There's our new friend. Yay. Okay, some of you all have iPad names, so I'm going to rename you so that. All right, you should be drawing me a picture of your partner of 10. Oh. All right, just to make sure, this is what we should be working on right now. Partners of 10. Then you have to do a number bond. Our whole is 10, so we should all have the same whole. We might have two different parts, right? But it's still going to equal 10. And then we should have an addition problem and a picture. Travis, can you turn that around? They don't need to see. Turn your iPad towards you. All right, so I have my number bond, my addition sentence with my coffee cup. And we should have drawn a picture to show me what two partners of 10 you decided to choose. Who knows two partners of 10 that can touch their nose and give us an, I saw Aaliyah first. Aaliyah, what were your two partners that you used?
12 plus 5 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10.
Oh, no, just give us one, girl. You're giving all your answers out. So she had 5 plus 5, and then she also, if you caught her, she said 6 plus 4. Both of those give you 10. So see, you could have, maybe you chose 5 plus 5. Well, look, Alexandra, you did. Maybe you chose 6 plus 4. So there's different answers as long as you have 10 all together. So you could have done, who had something different? So far we have 5 plus 5. And then Aaliyah also told us 6 plus 4. Who had a different partner? Kaylee, what'd you have?
7 plus 3.
Oh, there's a different one. 7 plus 3. Anybody have anything different? Lauren, what'd you have? What's on your paper? We're not guessing. What you have? All right, go ahead and mute because it's gonna echo. Lauren, can you mute so it doesn't echo? Thank you, ma'am. Draw it on your paper. All right, I think I saw, who else touched their nose? Daniel, what were your partners?
2 plus 8.
Beautiful. 2 plus 8. I'm actually going to do it 8 plus 2 because look, it goes in order. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we're only missing one other possibility. What if you dropped 10 on the floor and you picked up 9? How many would be left on the floor? What's our other partner if we're getting to 10? Kira, what's our other partner? Unmute. I can't hear you, girl. Unmute.
1.
1. Excellent. Now 10 and 0. Make sure you mute. 10 and 0 are also partners if you wrote that down. However, it did say in our word problem that she picked some of them up and left some on the floor. So there wasn't a possibility of picking all of them up. So we couldn't have used 10 plus 0. But those are all the combinations you could have come up with. And then you would have filled in your number sentence. 8 plus 2 equals 10, or 7 plus 3 equals 10, or 6 plus 4, or 5 plus 5, or 9 plus 1 equals 10. And then those are your two parts also. All right, when you're done with that, you probably need to keep your paper and pencil, but you can give me a thumbs up when you're ready to move on. I'm waiting on everybody's thumb up saying you're ready to go on. TJ, Sean, y'all ready? Sean's ready, TJ's ready. Okay. So you have a math quiz today. So we're just going to do some practice problems together so that you will be ready for your quiz. So what is the best way to do this? I don't think I need this one anymore. Okay. All right, first problem we're gonna do. All right, you're gonna draw your picture to match mine, okay? So just make sure you're following along with my picture, and I'll show you it every now and then. All right, so first we're gonna draw our picture to look like a 5 group, because remember, a 5 group drawing helps us see the answer quickly and organize our thoughts. So, all right, so our first problem is gonna be 7 minus 1. So here's my 7 minus 1, but remember I need to draw my 5 group drawing to match it. So I'm first going to draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave a little space. 6, 7. On your classwork today, you'll have black and white circles, but I don't want to waste our time coloring in circles, so we're just going to leave our space in between that helps us stay organized. Because now we needed 7. 5 and 2 is 7. Okay. How many is it telling us to take away? Show me with your fingers. Go, Kaden. How many is it showing us? Thank you, Jacob. It's telling us to take away 1. So remember, when we go to cross out 1, do I want to take 1 away from my beautiful 5 that's all together? No, thank you, Kaylee and Jacob. I want to take it away from down here, right? So take your pencil and just cross out 1. There you go. All right, so then we should easily be able to see, what do we have left? We can say 5. Yeah, how many? Show me with those fingers. How many we have left? 6 are left. 5, 6. And we also know that if we have any number and we only take away 1, we're just gonna, in our minds, hop backwards 1 on a number path, and we would end up to the number right before 6 or 7, and the number that comes right before 6 is the number that comes right before 7 is 6. But you got to be sure when you're taking your quiz, if it says cross out, make sure you cross out. Yeah, let me see your work. I like to see y'all's work. Makes me feel like y'all are all in the room when I get to see your work. Jacob, back up just a smidge so I can see your picture too. Thank you. Good job, guys. Excellent, excellent. Okay, our new problem, you can write that right underneath it. Our new problem is going to be 8 minus 0. So if you're writing 8 minus 0, you can go ahead and draw your 5 group drawing, right? My hole is 8, so I have to draw 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Friends, can you show me with your fingers? How many am I taking away? What's it say to take away? Yeah, big fat 0. big fat 0. So is my picture going to change? Is my whole going to change? No, if I have $8 and I don't spend any money, I still have $8. So anytime you see your whole minus 0, your whole stays exactly the same. Nothing changes. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, now we're going to try a couple and we're not going to draw a picture. But I think you can do it. On your paper. Write this out and solve. We shouldn't need to draw a picture, but if you absolutely need to, you are welcome to. I'd rather you draw a picture and get it right than have no picture and get it wrong. When you found your answer, touch your nose. Well, I didn't say show your answer. I said touch your nose. There you go. Kylie, can you tell me what 7 minus 0 is?
7.
Still 7. Yep, anytime we see that 0, nothing changes, remember? Still 7. Pat yourself on the back if you got that right. Excellent. All right, let's do just one other one. This time, our missing part is in a different spot. So friends, if I have I have $8. Okay, I go to the store, I spend, or maybe I don't spend any money, and then I come out and I still have $8. How much money did I spend? I went into the store with 8, I left the store with 8. How many did I spend? Guys, you went into the store with $8. You looked around, you came out of the store, you still had $8. How much did you spend? You did not spend anything. You spent $0. Good for you. You didn't spend any money. You still have your $8. Hello, Amia. All right, let's do some other practice problems. Okay, this time we're going to draw a picture and I want you to write a number sentence that matches the picture, okay? Okay, you need to draw, let me write that for you. You need to draw the picture and then write your subtraction sentence that matches. Travis, I hope you're with us. Travis, make sure you're with us. Your whole is how many circles are there. The part you're taking away is how many are crossed out. Your answer or your difference is how many are left that are not crossed out. When you have this number sentence written, touch your nose. All right, TJ, help us out. What's my number sentence?
0 minus 0 equals 0.
Not quite, not quite. Teacher, how many circles do you see on this paper?
9.
9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is our whole that we started with. How many are crossed out?
0.
TJ, how many have a line through them? All of them
9.
have a line through them, right?
Yes.
How many did you just tell me there were?
There were 9.
So we had 9 and we crossed out 9. And we were left with how many?
0.
0. We started with 9 circles. We crossed out 9 circles. We were left with 0 circles. Travis, is there not another pencil in your box? There should be 2. Okay, let's try to use that instead of the pencil sharpener right now. Okay, just try to use, okay, I'll fix it when we're done with Zoom, okay? All right, let's do another one similar to that. Okay, you can find a blank space on your paper or turn it over or get a new paper. But this is our new problem. I need you to draw a picture that matches, nope, I need you to draw a number sentence that matches this picture. I need you to write a number sentence that matches this picture. Touch your nose when you're ready. All right. Aubrey, you want to unmute and tell us what you got? Yeah, you know how to unmute or you need me to help you? All right, what's your number sentence?
So first we got 1.
Well, how many do we start with? 5,
1.
6.
6.
Okay, how many did we cross out?
6.
Look at your picture. How many did I cross out?
6. Wait. 5.
5. And how many were we left with, Aubrey?
Wait. 1.
Just 1. Do you know how to mute yourself? Perfect. All right, so we started with 6. You got to always remember, with subtraction, count how many you see on the paper. 5, 6. Then how many were crossed out? 5. And how many were left? Just 1. All right, as long as you have your picture correct, the rest should come easily. How can we take 6 minus 5 equals 1 and write the related subtraction problem? Okay, so related means like brothers and sisters. They're from the same family, but are they the same exact person? No, so they're similar, but they are not the same. So if we want to make our matching related fact, we take our two parts, and what are we going to do? What are we going to do, Aaliyah?
Swap them.
Swap them. So instead of 6 minus 5 equals 1, it's 6 minus 1 equals 5. All you do is take those two partners, those two parts, and swap them. All right, what if this was your number sentence? What would the related number sentence be? The related subtraction fact. 7 minus 5 equals 2. If we swap those parts, what would our new one be, Kaylee?
7 minus 2 equals 5.
Excellent. 7 minus 2 equals 5. All we did was take those parts and we swapped them. All right, well, y'all are finishing writing that. I'm going to give some points. And remember, along with those points, we're trying to collect all these tickets, right? So we can be leader of the week. So, might be a little trickier to get a ticket than it is to get a point. Hi. Hello. TJ. All right, so lots of points. I'll share my screen with you. Give me a thumbs up. Do you see it? Yeah. All righty, let's look at our classwork for today, and then we can quickly ask some questions. All righty, so from our Twinkle Light page, that is frozen. There we go. We're gonna click our schedule. Somebody who's in here, touch your nose if you remember what day it is. We did our calendar earlier. What day is it? Kira, unmute, tell us. What day is it?
Monday.
Monday. So we look under Monday. We look under Monday. We just did math. So now we're about to take our quiz. Remember, I've been telling you we're taking a quiz today. Today I will be Tyler. Type in your name. All right, so you're looking for a pink page today, a light pink page. Remember, if it says cross out, you must cross out. If it says draw a picture, you must draw a picture. Okay, so here's page 1. It kind of goes further down, so don't skip that one. Page 2, got some more drawings and number bonds. Page 3, and Miss Harper says you're a genius. Okay. All right, does anybody have anything to share? Anything to tell us? Any points you want to redeem? All right, Lauren, you go first. I'm just gonna go across the screen.
Can I change my charger point?
Can you change them? You want to redeem them? you want? Because you have
Mm.
like all the points in the world. So what you want? Want me to give you some ideas?
Yes.
Okay, so remember, you can choose any of the things I'm about to say, because like I said, you got lots of points. You could have a dance party, a dress up, change your monster, show and tell, guest reader, a mailed note, go noodle, skip an assignment, virtual scavenger hunt, direct a drawing, class game, teacher lunch.
Scavenger hunt.
All right, girl, I'll write it down. Remember, friends, this is okay. Well, you can get to this. I'm not echoing.
Okay.
There we go. All right. Remember, this is the point where if you're done and you don't have any questions, and you can hop off. Except for if you're in this room. If you're in this room, you better stay right where you are. Okay. All right. So Lauren's gonna get her scavenger hunt, which is 25 points. Scavenger. You got another question? Oh, and we meet again at 12. For those of you still here, 12 o'clock. Yes, Kaylee or Kylie. Where'd Kylie go? Where's she? Yes.
Can I turn my points?
Yes. What would you like?
Well, what's the stuff for 20 points?
20-point stuff is show and tell, guest reader, mailed note, or you could just spend 15 points and do your dance party, a dress up, or change your monster.
Change my monster.
I had a feeling that's what you were gonna pick. Do you want a Halloween one?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Where is your name?
It's right there.
Okay. Halloween. Halloween. All right. Let me know when you see one that you like.
Okay.
Kira, can you hop up and open the door? Take your headphones off.
Okay. Stop. I know which one I want.
Okay, which one would you like?
The very last one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty. She's all mummified. Perfect.
Oh, well,
Okay. Any other questions, Lauren? You can ask your question in person. So hold on. Okay.
If not, I can hear it tomorrow.
All right, friends. I'll see you in just like an hour and a half. So at 12, okay? Enjoy your lunch.
Bye.
Bye.